Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Warpcast and ask, what exactly is it? If you're unfamiliar with Warpcast, if you go to warpcast.com, then you're going to see here that it's going to prompt you to download the app on either the App Store or on Google Play. So it's not something that's available on desktop. It is something that is entirely on mobile. And what exactly is it? Well, Warpcast is a decentralized social media platform that's similar to Twitter, and it tends to be more catered towards people who are interested and active in cryptocurrency. So if that sounds like you, if you're somebody who is interested in crypto and you want to get part of a social media platform that caters towards cryptocurrency users, then you might want to consider using Warpcast. Let's just look at a couple more details here. So how does it work? Users can post short messages called casts that can include their photos and link. You can follow people and topics, engage with posts. You can create channels to post casts to specific communities, and you can connect a crypto wallet address to enable on-chain and in-frame activity. So basically, Warpcast is Twitter for crypto users. And if that sounds like you, go ahead and go to the App Store, to Google Play, and download Warpcast today. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.